Hey guys, I have a Compustar remote start and alarm system on this Ford Econoline van, and in this video I'm going to show you how to program remotes to the system. I have a CM900AS and I got a new remote here, and this is just a one-way remote. However, the one it came with was a two-way remote. Two-way is quite a bit more expensive, but I just wanted an extra one just as a backup. So to do this is super simple, and you can see this one works and this one does not because it's brand new. But to program it, make sure you have all of the key fobs that you want to use, and you're going to have 4 slots. So you can only program up to 4 key fobs, and each slot has to be filled. And in this case, I have 2 key fobs, so I'm going to fill 2 slots with each key fob, because you have to just fill all of them, even if it's with the same key fob. And I'm not sure if this is the same process with their other modules, but this is going to work with the CM900S or the AS, which is the one I have. We're going to put the key in the ignition, and we're going to turn it on and off 5 times. Within 10 seconds. If you go over 10 seconds, it's not going to work. And we're just turning the ignition on. We're not starting the vehicle. So let's go ahead and do it 5 times. And then I think we leave it on the 5th time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll hit the lock button on that. 1 slot is filled. We'll hit it again. 2nd slot is filled, and we'll take the other fob. 3rd slot is filled, and then we'll hit it again. And then it gives us a bunch of flashes, and then we can turn it off. And now the new fob works, and this one does as well. All right guys, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Peace out.